నమస్కారం. డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ సార్వత్రిక విశ్వవిద్యాలయ విద్యార్థులకు స్వాగతం. ఈ ప్రసారంలో
Dear students, welcome to the class on product design and automation. This topic will benefit to the students of second semester MBA students of Dr. BR Ambedkar Open University. Product design is very crucial in the development of the new product. The design stage gives the detailed specifications of the new product. These specifications ultimately result in the product quality also. This product design consists in imagining and creating objects meant for mass production. The definition encompasses the physical aspects as well as the functionalities products should possess. The designing of a new product goes through an analytical process and relies on a problem-solving approach to improve the quality of the life of the end user and his interaction with the environment. It is about problem solving, about visualizing the needs of the user and bringing a solution. This product design has many fields of application such as medical devices, tableware, jewelry, sports and regulations, leisure, food preservation appliances, furnitures, etc. And this design process is divided into many different phases. There include various forms of sketching and prototyping. However, sometimes the idea starts from a problem people may experience and designing a solution to solve it. It is about establishing a link between the user and the environment using an object to address a need. Like we have product design examples, a Coca-Cola bottle, the iPod and the Vespa. There are two apparently conflicting considerations that affect the product designing. We can standardize the products and also we can improve the ease of their manufacture. On the other hand, we can offer a variety products to meet different kinds of customers and their different needs. There is a trade-off involved here. When you buy a new electric bulb, you know it will screw on into the socket all right because the bulbs are standardized. There are only a few kinds of basis mode. Standard is the word that denotes that there are only specific sizes made and sold. Standardization, and it also includes simplification, means that non-standard items will not be made except when the customer order them specifically. And we are going to place and prepare in a high order, then only the non-standard items are going to be manufactured. Sometimes standards have been enacted into a law for safety or for health reasons. Mostly, though standardization is voluntary, industry-wide standardization requires industry-wide cooperation too. Standardization reduces the kinds, types and sizes of raw materials that have to be bought. This lets you buy and so get lower prices per unit. Standardization also cuts down on your manufacturing costs because you get longer runs on the fewer kinds of products that you still make. You can set up costs and use more specialized machines. You also need fewer patterns and tools. We would always be reordering larger quantities of lower things and so holding down manufacturing costs. This product design have different approaches. In the markets, there is a demand for low volumes and high variety. In such a situation, rigid standardization is not the solution. The right approach could be to design a range of products that share parts, people, and production processes. The approaches are: first one, modular design. In order to get perceived variety or variety, designers resort to modular construction. Products are made mostly out of easily detachable sub-assembles or sections. When an item fails, they take out the whole component of which it is a part and put in a new component. Later, they can repair it, or they may be removed, or maybe throw it away. Modular design is used extensively in computers. Another approach is form and functional design. Product design deals with form and function. Form design deals with the product's shape and appearance. Functional design deals with how it works or performs. The need for functional design is obvious. The product has to work or it is useless. But how necessary is form design? When customers have no basis of functions, the eye appeal wins. Even machinery makes pay attention to form design. Though functional utility is still uppermost, in most situations it is a trade-off between form and function. Next approach is design and production costs. In designing products, we should keep in mind the production costs. Sometimes initial designs cost more to produce than the market can bear. It needs redesigning so that it costs less to produce. Maybe we will have to compromise on it. Repairability. Easy repair is important in product design. Too much obsession with appearance sometimes comes in the way of easy repairs. Why? Because while you are designing a new product, the product should get repaired easily when it is have any problem. Redesign. Each product made can be improved by redesigning. There is, however, no constant design. Change is design over a period of time or inevitable. Why? Because nothing is permanent except change. For the improvement of the product, we need to go on redesigning the existing products for better improvement of functionality of the product. Miniaturization more eloquently condenses the philosophy of miniaturization. An army expression says, if your product is room size, make it desk size. If it is desk size, make it portable. When you can't shrink it anymore, pay twice as much power into it. For industry, in general, we can say make it smaller and lighter in weight. So, the best example for this miniaturization is laptop computers and Palm Pilot personal computers. Product design issues involves many functions and that also affects the entire organization. For example, marketing function. Marketing is impacted by product design issues because they determine the types of products that will be produced and affect marketing's ability to sell them. Marketing's inputs critical at this stage because marketing is the function that interfaces with customers and understand the types of product characteristics customers want. It is marketing that can provide operations with information on customer preferences, competition and future trends. Finance. Finance plays an integral role in product design issues because these decisions require large financial outlays. Finance needs to be a part of these decisions to evaluate the financial impact on the company. Also, it is up to the finance department to provide the capital needed for this investment and balance that against future capital requirements. Why? Because the product design may require lot of investment, that all investment get through cleared by the finance department only. Human resources. Human resources department provides important input to product design decisions because it is the function directly responsible for hiring employees. If special labor skills are needed in the process of production, human resources need to be able to provide information on the available labor pool. Why? Because different products required different skill set of people in manufacturing of them. That is the reason human resources needs to interact with the product design engineer to employ the special skilled people into the organization that will make easy of producing the new products. Purchasing works closely with suppliers to get the needed parts and raw materials at a favorable price. It is aware of product and material availability, scarcity and price. Often, certain materials or components can use less expensive substitutes if they are designed properly. For this reason, it is important to have purchasing involved in product design issues from the very beginning. Engineering department. Engineering needs to be an integral part of the product design decision because this is the function that understands product measurement, tolerances, strength of materials and specific equipment needs. There can be many product design ideas, but it is up to engineering to evaluate their manufacturability and their compatibility. For this reason, product design decisions need to be made using a team effort with all these functions working closely together to come up with a new product. And now we are going to discuss about the automation and its importance in the product design. Automation is the art of making processes or machines self-acting or self-moving. Automation also means the technique of making a device, machine, process or procedure more fully automatic. Automated machinery may range from simple sensing devices to autonomous robots and other sophisticated equipment. Automation of operations may encompass the automation of a single operation or the automation of an entire facility. There are many different reasons to automate. Increased productivity is normally the major reason for many companies designing a competitive advantage. Automation also offers low operational variability, Variability is directly related to quality and productivity. Other reasons to automate include the presence of a hazardous working environment and the high cost of human labor. Some businesses automate processes in order to reduce production time, increase manufacturing flexibility, reduce costs, eliminate human error, or make up for a labor shortage. Decisions associated with automation are usually concerned with some or all of these economic and social considerations. Automation has so many advantages. Automation may increase through the productivity. Automation may improve quality or increased predictability of quality. Automation improved robustness or consistency of processes of product. Automation increased consistency of output. Automation reduced direct human labor cost and expenses. Automation installation in operations reduces cycle time. It can complete tasks where a high degree of accuracy is required. It may replace human operations in tasks that involve hard physical or monotonous work. It may reduce some occupational injuries. Automation replaces humans in tasks done in dangerous environments like fire, space, volcanoes, etc. Automation performs tasks that are beyond human capabilities of size, weight, speed, endurance, etc. Automation also reduces operation time and work handling time significantly. It also frees up workers to take on other roles and provides higher level jobs in the development, maintenance and running of the product designs. Apart from the advantages, automation have some disadvantages too, like possibility security threats, vulnerability due to increased relative susceptibility for committing errors, unpredictable or excessive development costs, high initial cost, and displaces workers due to job replacement. Mostly the automation may reduce the employment. Automation have different types. Although automation can play a major role in increasing productivity and reducing costs in service industries, as in the example of a retail store that installs barcode scanners in its checkout lanes. Automation is most prevalent in manufacturing industries. In recent years, the manufacturing field has witnessed the development of major automation alternatives. Some of these types of automations includes CAD, CAM, CAM, FMS, robots, etc. CAD. CAD means computer aided design. This term refers to the support the computer renders to the engineering design. The drawings are put into the computer through a terminal or directly on the screen. The printout of the drawing can be taken. The drawing can be linked to the manufacturing or can be made standalone. CAD facilitates linking of two more complex components of design at very high level of accuracy, thus delivering higher productivity. A complete CAD system has three components: design calculations, parts classification and link to manufacturing. CAD is extensively used in car manufacturing, aircraft manufacturing, shipbuilding, construction and electronics. It is labor saving. Redesigning is achieved in reduced time design time is reduced, it makes the company very competitive. Now CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing, refers to the use of computers in the different functions of production planning and control. CAM includes the use of numerically controlled machines, robots and other automated systems in the manufacturing process. CAM also includes computer aided process planning, group technology, production scheduling and manufacturing flow analysis. Computer aided process planning means the use of computers to generate process plans for the manufacturing or different products. Group technology is a manufacturing philosophy that aims at grouping different products and creating different manufacturing cells for the manufacture of each group. To overcome the inherent limitation of conventional batch manufacturing systems, that is small volumes, high producer variety and a jumbled flow of materials, we can use this CAM with streamlined batch manufacturing. CIM, a computer integrated manufacturing system, is one in which many manufacturing functions are linked through an integrated computer network. These manufacturing related functions include production, planning and control. FMS, Flexible Manufacturing Systems, are comprehensive systems that may include numerically controlled machine tools, robots and automated material handling systems. The manufacture of similar products or components using different routine among machines. The first FMS was installed in England in 1968. Robotics. A robot is a computer controlled machine. It is programmed to perform certain tasks. It can perform production tasks too. It may execute different tasks that are normally handled by a human operator. In manufacturing, robots are used to handle a wide range of tasks including assembly, welding, painting, loading and unloading of heavy hazardous materials, inspection and testing of finishing operations. Numerically controlled machines are programmed versions of machine tools that execute operations in sequence on parts or products. Individual machines may have their own computers. For that purpose, such tools are commonly referred to as computerized numerically controlled machines. This is about today's class on product design and automation. Thank you.
మా కార్యక్రమాలపై మీ సూచనలు సలహాలు మాకు తెలియజేయండి. మీ సూచనలు సలహాలు మాకు తెలియజేయవలసిన చిరునామా: డైరెక్టర్, ఆడియో విజువల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ అండ్ రీసెర్చ్ సెంటర్, ప్రొఫెసర్ జి రామరెడ్డి మార్గ్, రోడ్ నంబర్ 46, జూబ్లీ హిల్స్, హైదరాబాద్ 500033.